All right, well, I just cleaned out the bed of my truck, pulled my auxiliary battery, wiring, all that good stuff out, and I'm going to be installing a custom-made bed drawer, bed slide, whatever you want to call it, that the guys over at Slide Master made specific to my truck and my needs. So stay tuned, should be a lot of fun. All aluminum tray, super lightweight, good welds. I'm impressed with the quality. Ooh, that is about a perfect fit. Stand by. So just to give an idea of the tolerance here, maybe 1/8 of an inch either side of the wheel well. I like it. I wanted to maximize the use of my bed, so good job, Slide Master. That thing is stout. That's good. Okay, the one complaint that I already have, I don't even know that it's a complaint. It's just something I wasn't aware of. There's no install instructions and there's no mounting hardware that I've found so far. Almost there. So yeah, he'll basically go in there. Okay, so that's basically what we got. But, like I said, two things. No mounting hardware, that's number one. Second one is, there's also no mounting hardware for the tray. So, I'm gonna have to tap and drill that stuff myself as well. No biggie, but just expected for the price, all that stuff to be included. All right, well, good thing GoPro's waterproof. As you can see, pretty bad weather out here, but didn't film a lot of the drilling, screwing in, you know, disgusting, filthy. This is what it is. If you use your vehicle like I use mine, it's gonna have dirt, mud, all that stuff on the underside. So check this out. Here's what I'm most excited about. Most bed slides you get, whether they be bed slide brand, cargo glide, whatever, they don't come out this far. Here's the edge of my tailgate. There's the tray. So you get, they call it 120% comes out well past your bed, almost past your tailgate, so your entire contents of your bed completely out of your bed. Thought it was pretty awesome. If you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, if you like it, send me a like, subscribe if you really like it. I'm trying to get monetized. You guys take care.